And we have Dolphin number 1. Ball ni Canadio. Canadio. Ay, super no? Okay. Bola po ng Canadio. That's number 1. Marlon. Pass to Lopez. But really intercepted. But really by Lopez. Number 7 now. Number 7. Pass to number 2. Number 2 pass inside to number 3. 8. That's MJ now. Foul on. It's a foul on number 2. JP. Good. That's MJ on the outside. Pass to Sanchez, number 0. Number 0 now. Up. The symbol says the referee. Number 6. Number 6 now. Pass to number 4. The 1 court. 1 more prize. 3 points. Outside of a 3 ball. That's Dumabi. Marlon now. Marlon now. Pass to. It's stepping, says the referee. Same ball. It's number 2. Pass to Lopez. Lopez make a 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by JP. JP now. Pass to number 0-0 to Lopez. Lopez to Marlon. Marlon pass to 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by the Catribo. It's a pass. Pass to MJ. MJ now. MJ. Number 86. It's a side ball, says the referee. Referee's ball. Yan. Number 0 Lopez now to Marlon. It's Marlon's number 1. The shooting guard. Make a pass to number 3, but it take by Lopez. To number 3 now. Number 3 fires. Wala, malakas. Rebound by MJ. Number 86. Oh yan. It's a double dribble, says the referee. Nahuli. Ayan, it's number 7 now. Number 7. Pass to Marlon. Marlon make a fake. Make a shot. Wala, masyadong malakas. Rebound by number 3. Taken by number 6. Nandox now. Nandox. Pass to MJ. MJ pass. Wala. Taken number 24. Number make a 3 shot. Point no good. Rebound by number 7. It's Canadia's ball now. Ayan, it's Lopez. Lopez dribbling the ball. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 7. Number 7 pass to Marlon. Number 1. Pass to number 2. Make a shot. Yes, sir. That's That's number 2. 3-2. 1 point lead by the Catribo. That's number 0. Number 0 now. Number 0. Number 0 is still dribbling. Woo! It's a foul on number 3. Si Pisoy, the first personal and the second team foul of Canadian. 1 point again. Tumira ulit tres. Wala, malakas. That's Pisoy. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Zigzagging. O yun, Paulo. That's a foul on number. Talikod ka, tol. Talikod ka. What number is that? Number 6. Number 6. Tantok. Wait. Sobrang malakas. Oh! Paulan. 24.
6 minutes.
Wala po yung unang tira ng Tisoy. Malakas. Ayan. 1 point lead pa po ang ina-enjoy ng Catribo. Let's see if we can make the second free throw. Malakas pa rin. Rebound by MJ. It's number 8. He's the playmaker of Catribo. It's 1 court now. Looking for a receiver. Pass to MJ. MJ now. Make an inside pass but nearly intercepted. Oh, ayan na, natapik niya. Number 7 now. Number 7. Number 7 now. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to 0-0 to Marlon. Make a fake. Pass to Dom now. Dom. Pass to Marlon. Marlon make a fake. Jermaine. Rebound again by MJ. Ayan na. MJ na, number 86. Number 6, Landox. Landox now, Landox. Pass to 1-4. Make a 3-point shot. Wala, malakas. Substitution, ref. Sub, ref, sub. Number 0-0 out. Number 18 in. Okay, that's number 18 on the outside. Pass to number 7. Number 7 now, looking for a receiver. Access it to Marlon. To Marlon now. Marlon, guarded by number 6. It's a trouble. It's a robbery. It's kala namin eh. Ano talaga? Last 4 minutes. It's MJ again. MJ now. Pass to 1. Number 6. Landox. Back in it. Pass. Back. Woo! It's the first personal foul of number 18 and the third team foul of Canadio. Ayan. Payungan nyo yung manage ko natin. Payungan nyo. Number 24 is given a 2 charity free sweet. First try, yes sir. It's a smooth shot by number 24. Let's see if we can make the second try. Fires. Wala. Rebound by. It's taken by number 2, JP. JP now. JP. Ayan, siya nagtitimon. Dadala ng bola. JP now. Pass to Marlon. Marlon make a 3-point shot. Wala, malakas pa rin. Rebound by number 24. Number 24 to number 6, Landox. Landox. Landox now, Landox. Landox, tatapik ni number 7. Tumira si number 24. What a nice shot by number 24. Last 2 minutes 50. 6-2, a 4-point lead by the Katribo. Si Marlon lagi tumira ng 3. Ay, wala. By number 6. Number 3, yes, that's Tisoy. The 6 for the 2-point lead by the Katribo. Ayan ha, number 0. Drop pass to number 26, wala. It's Lopez now. Pass break, pati intercepted by number 0. Ayan, nagagawan. Taken by numbers. It's foul on. It's foul rep. Numero 0. It's a 13 foul by the Katribo. Last 2 minutes for the first half. This is number 7 now, Lopez. Lopez. To number 2, fires. Wala. Minaalat. Number 18, rebounded by. Oh, what? Say? What is that, rep? This is foul again on number 18. Warning for penalty po tayo. Number 6, second team foul si Queen.
Message kayo sa grupo ng sa pagkakalam na sa first podcast na. Message kayo sa grupo.
Wala, malakas.
Bro, yung sa grupo ng basketball.
18, number 1, fires. Yes, sir. That's Marlon. It's the first deadlock of the ball game. Last 1 minute 15. Last 1 minute 15. That's Sanchez now. Pass to number 86. 86 to number 2. 1-4. Pass to number 0. Drop pass to number. Make a loop. Yes, sir. Last 58 seconds. Ito number 7 again. Number 7. Pass to Marlon. Marlon again make a 3-point shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 24. Number 24 now. Last 40 seconds. Oy! Last 34 seconds. Wala po. Substitution, rep. Sub. Last 30 seconds. Last 25 30 seconds. Wala. Tumira ni Marlon. Inaalat talaga si Marlon. Rebound na naman ng Katribo. Last 20 seconds. Foul on JP.
Ha?
It's penalty, rep. Penalty. Rep. Take two. Last 17 seconds. Last 17 seconds. 8-6. Ang score po natin. A 2-point lead by the Katribo. Number 0, we can make it the first. Yes. Isa na lang po. Last 17 seconds. Last 15 seconds shot clock. That's what is to number 9. Number 9. It's a trouble in last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Foul on. It's a penalty. That is a penalty. Foul on number 2. If that is your third personal foul, JP, last 4 seconds. Let's see if MJ can make the two free throws given the first try. Yes, sir. That's MJ Pars. Wala, malakas. Rebound by number 24. 3, 2, 1. Tempo. Second quarter na po agad tayo. Yan, that number 0. Number 0. Pass to Bosda. Ayan, pumake. Number 10 now. Entry pass to MJ but intercepted by Ayong. Pass to number 17. To number 9. Number 9 pass break to number Jericho. Number 19. 19 pass. Wala malakas. Rebound by. That's Landox now. Landox. Tumira. Malakas. Rebound by number 17. Number 10 now. Number 17 pass to JP. JP pass back to number 6. Number 6 now. Number 6. Back to number 17 pass. Yes, sir. It's a dancing. What is that, ref? Ayan, pakinggan po natin ng referee. This is number 0 on the outside. Pass going. Number 10, make a trip! Rebound by number 2. Tatapik, ayan. But rebounded by number 9. Oh, foul on MJ. Ayan po. Yes, foul on number 86. Number 6 on the outside to number 9. And number 9, entry pass. Mega pass pa kayo. What traveling, says the referee. Nag-chat-chat pa kasi. Ayan, science. Ang ganda ng tira.
Sub daw, sub.
Zooming now number 10. Siya po ngayon ang ball handler na number ng Katribo. Pass to number 0, Sanchez. To MJ. Number 8 pass. Wala. Rebound by number 17 now. Pass to number 9. Number 9 now, number 9. Number 9 looking for a receiver.
Wow.
Tumira! Talaga naman! Is the third deadlock of the ball game. 10-0. This is number 0 now, number 0. Number 0 pass to Landox. Landox looking for a receiver. An entry pass to number 24. But here intercepted. Yan, natiyo. Number 0. Wala. Ayan, nawagaw po ng Canadyo. Number 19, Jericho. Drop pass to number 9. Pass, wala. Pinalap number 17. Talaga naman si Marbs. It's
Sub daw, sub.
sub. Grab then. It's Landox now to Tommy. Number 10. Number 6 now, number 6. number 6. At saka posto number 24. But intercepted by number 19, pinasas ka number 9. Binalik ka din 19, lumayap, palakas. Rebound by, nakuha niya ulit yung 19. That's number 0 now. Number 0. Pass to Doming. Tumira na 3. Wala! Diba, may number 17, the playmaker now of Canadio. Yearly intercept by number 24. Ayun na nga nagagawan. Nagawa po number 0. Ayan. Pass to number 6, Landox. Landox nagapura. Tumira! Wala! Rebound by Landox. Pow! Ayan! Paktay na. Okay, that's your fourth personal foul, JP. Apat na po ang foul mo. Substitution, rep. Number 2 out, Tisoyin. Number 24 out, number 27 in. Yan. Medyo napaaga. Number 6 now on the free throw. Tumira. Ay, lumabas. Ganyan talaga. Let's see if we can make the second try. That's Landox. Tumira. Yes!
Number 1.
Yes! It's 12-11. A 1-point lead by the Canadio. Number 9 now. Number 9. Looking for a receiver. An entry pass, but intercepted by number 0. Pass to number 6. Landox. Landox. Namamadali. Landox. Nice step. Wala. Rebound by number 77. Woo! It's the second foul of this game. The number 3. Take to says the referee. It's the second team foul on the Canadio. Number 27 is given a sweet charity free throw. Okay. Last 4 minutes, 40, 50. Yung pumasok ang unang tira. Is the fourth deadlock. Second, anong? Kapapasok pa lang. Suwabe ang takbo. It's nagpalit na po. The 13-12. Number 9, entry pass again to number 17, but intercepted by number 8. Number 8. Who's last touch, rep? Last touch number? Last touch number 0. Who is last touch? Same ball says the referee. Ah, okay. Ayan na! Ninakaw! Ninakaw! Pinasa pero malakas! Ayan o! Side throw. Referee's ball. Hey! Stop ito! Wala na. Wala na. Wala. Pumito yung referee. Not counted po yun, not counted. Pumito pong referee, side kasi yun. No bale.
Alam namin, nakita namin. Hindi nyo pinakinggan yung flip.
Oh, yung pumito kasi doon sa kabila. Oh. Yung nasa kabila po ang pumito, wala po dito, hindi nakita dito yung referee, yung nasa kanan. Last 3 minutes 22. That's number 9. Number 9. Backside the pass to Tisoy. Ang ganda ng pasa pero wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. The block by number 6. Ayun, ako ni Dom. Nagmamadali. Pinas break but intercepted by number 9. Number 9 now. Number 9. To number 19 sa backstop. Inaliwa! Ayan. The 14-13. The 1-point lead by Canadio is accounted foul on number 3. No. Number 0.
Sub.
Substitution, sub. Number 10 out, 114.
Nagalsumot din ako.
Kabilin, okay. O, sige na, okay na.
Hindi ka na bukod ko. Urayin niya nga klase ti grapes. Ngam natangkan ti ulo niya.
230.
Last 2 minutes, 15.
Na-sugar ganun.
Ayan na.
2 minutos. 15.
Number 0 now. Number 0. Na nagpepek.
Oh.
Tumengtri pa sa ganda. Ang ganda ng pasa. Pero short. Last 2 minutes. Bola po ng Canadio. Ayan na, pass to number 9. Last 1 minute 50.
Pulot ka na. Malamang.
A 1 point lead by the Canadio. Jericho na number 9, number 19, number 19. Black eye guarded by number 0. Landox. Yung numero yung pass to number 9 again. Number 9. Nabi na tumira ng 3. Short. Rebound by. Ayan, number 0 of the Catribo. Number 0 na po. Ayan, nag-magic.
I told you. Nagling niya. Dito din magmagakad ako facial expression. Nagling.
Sige, suwahan kayo pero kasama.
Nagling dari. Ay, kumalikat ka. Slow ko naman. Slow. Tapos dubli-dubli.
Ayan po. The first free throw, number 0.
Ganito nga crispy.
Second, wala, malakas. Bali daw. Bola po ng Canadio. Last 1 minute. Number 17 on the outside. Pass to number 19. Ayan na. To number 19. Number 19 now. Entry pass to number 9 but sobrang malakas.
Vamos, baha!
Last 50 seconds. Number 0. The same ball says the referee. Last of number 19. Number 9 now on the outside. The side of Catribo. Entry pass to number 1 court.
Facial expression na talaga.
Make a fight. It's a trouble, he says the referee. Last 40 seconds. Time out! Canadio. Number 9, pass to number 9 in Jericho. Tiro. Last 30 seconds. Intercepted by mga port. 1 port now. 1 port. That's 1 port now. Pass to number 8. Tumira. Yes, sir. Nice pass. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Marlon now. Tumira. Nag-apura. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 0. Pass to number. Last 15 seconds. Pass to number 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tempo! Ayan po. It's a 17-14, the 3-point lead by the Catribo. Ayan. Nag-aapura. Number 3. Number 3, make a heads up. Wala. Short. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 now. Number 0, make a pass break. Number 2, hindi inabot. Ang ganda kapag inunat sana. Uy.
Inabot.
Number 7 now. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 17. Number 7, make a big. Tumira! Nagpalabo. Wala. Rebound by number 0 again. Number 0. Ayan, the premier ko. Sanchez. Tagoy! Alon. Lumabas! Rebound by number 18. It's a ball. Number 8. Ayan na. Uminit na. Woo! Lumabas. Si Haring Araw. Number 18, sumasaya. Number 18 now to number 7. Intercepted by number 1 port now. 1 port. Tap by number 3. Paulo number 3. Ayan. Inabutan sa likod. Sinundot. Paul Katong. Walang ganyanan. Ayan na, si number 6 Landox on the outside. Pass to number 0. Back to Landox now. Landox, tumira ng 3! Wala! Walang tinamaan. Ayan. Bola po ng Canadio. Ayaw pa rin mag-score ang bawat team. Okay, sige. Number 7 now. Number 7. Looking for receiver to number 18. Number 18 now. Number 18. Number 18 now. Number 18. Ayan. Number 18. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 50 seconds. To number 7 now. Number 7. 10, 9. Number 18, pass! Oh! Who's foul rep? Foul on number 8 again. It's your second personal foul on number 8. And the second team foul on the top. Sab kasi foul, pwede. Sab. Sino? Entra. Last 6 minutes. I'm breaking. Pass to nowhere. Ayan, bola po ng Katribo. Ayan. That's number 24 to number 6 to number 0. 0 now. 0. Pass to 1-4 again. Tumira, pero pinalik. Number 2 sa pinalik ulit sa number 1-4. Tumira ng 3. Yes! A 3-point on 1-4. Alaga naman, the third 3 points of 1-4. Ayan na, umuulan ng 3. Magpayong na raw kayo. Mahirap na itong pigilan. It's a 7-point lead by the Katribo. It's number 16 to number 14 now to number 19. Number 19 now. Nag-floater, wala malakas. Rebound by 1-4. Ayan na.
Dito yung dandan bang kanin tatlo.
Sama! Sino? Canadio! 7-point lead. The 14 point ay 14 Dabla 23-16. Ayan na. Malalaw na naisan kayo. Ayan, muntik na. Malakas, rebound by number 17. Pass to Abad now. Abad now says, wait, kalma. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 1. Marlon, fade away. Tap by number 1-4. Ayan na, si Landox, number 6. Number 6, pass. Ay, lumabas. Foul on. Number 19. It's the second personal foul on number 19. The 13th foul of the Katribo. Ay, Canadio. It's number 6 now. Ayun, pumasok. Pumasok ang unang tira ng Katribo. Ayun. Last 3 minutes, 10 seconds. 25-16, the 9-point lead by the Katribo. Marlon now, to number 14. Make a jump shot na lakas. Rebound by number 17. Number 6, Pumeke. Patrap pass to number 19. But intercepted by number 0. Pass break to number 6. Ayun na naman si Landox. Landox nag-layup. Oy, lumabas. Follow up to number 24. Ayan! Nice follow up by number 24. It's the 27-16, the 11-point by the Katribo. Last 2 minutes, 41. Jericho now, number 19, number 10, to number 14, to number 1, to number 3, Balakaw, short, rebound by number, ayan na, oh, warning niya, technical bro, technical lang, 19, sumigaw. That's your third personal foul, number 19. Pura yung foul, wala, isa pa. Wala. Substitution, right? Sub number 14.
Bigay.
Number 0. Ayan, bola ng Canadio. Ayan. Ilocano kami matapos. Number 9 now, number 9. Last 1 minute 41. Tumira ng 3 si Marlon, wala pa rin. Minaalat si Marlon. Rebound by number 19. Number 19 now, number 19. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 0. Ayan talaga. Ayan, guarded by number 00. Lati sumindot. Ayan na. Ayan, tuloy. Foul on number 0. It's penalty. Rep. Foul on number 0. Dusty Rus. Last 1 minute. Ayan na. Ang ganda ng depensa ng Katribo. Unang tira. Ayan. Sweet. The second goal on our second game, the Pintor Kitchen Warriors and the Madrid Wings. Get ready. Ayan, foul on. 19. That is your fourth personal foul. Penalty, rep. Penalty. It's penalty. Take two. Rep. Substitution, rep. Number 19 out. Disoyen. Ano? Ayan na. Okay, last 1 minute na po tayo. Number 24. Yeah. Tumira. Yes, sir. Last 58 seconds. Number 9. Oh, foul on. Who's foul rep? Foul on number 6, Landox. Last 50 seconds. That's your third team foul.
No, second foul lang. Second personal foul. Third substitute.
Ayan na, pasok po yung una. Pasok yung unang tira ng number 9. Last 52 seconds. Yung second, tumira. Yes, wala. Rebound by number 0. Intercepted by foul on number 9. Sabrep. Landox out, MJE. Ay, penalty na to, parang. Penalty. Last 49 seconds, sorry. 49 na po. 49.6. Ayan. Si number 0, Linayo. Tumira. Yes. Pasok. Last 47 seconds. Number 9, sinuntot. Tumira yan, pumas break kay number 40. Number 40, 1-4 now. To number 0. Uy, it's a loose ball. Last 37 seconds. The 35. Ayan. Tisoy now. Tisoy looking for a receiver. Last 20 seconds. Number 9 tumira ng 3. Wala lumabas. Last 18 seconds. Intercept by number 9. Naglayap. Yes, sir. Last 15 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tempo. 31-19. 12-point lead by the Katribo. Now, receiver. Ayan na. Yung bagong player niya. Pero 1-4 na, 1-4. Back to Dom now. Tumira ng 3. Wala shot. Rebound by number 9. It's number 9 now, number 9. Nagmamadali. Number 9. Paulon! Dalawang tumawag. Paulon number 10. What is that rep? Paulon, Mr. Sunday. Happy Mother's Day po sa ating mga may isig at may iting magulang inahin ng tahanan. Happy Mother's Day.
Sir, akop shooting.
Ano tumira? Pasok?
Pasok.
Pasok daw.
I'm not a mother. I'm not yet a
Yung
mother.
naghahanap na.
Thank you, Nia.
Ayan. Let's see if we can make the second try. Wala, malakas. Rebound by number 24. Number 24 now to pass to MJ. MJ now, MJ got it to number 9. Number 9, MJ now, MJ. MJ nagpapatay, tumira! Ayun, bumawi! Lumingon pa! Number 00, pass to number 9. Ayan na. Ayan, number 9, number 9. Ayan, ayan, what a move, what a move. Tumira na crossover block. Wow! Ano yun? Ano yun? Holland! Holland number 86, Mr. MJ. Number 86, see? Okay, number 86. Ano yan, take two? Is a side throw, says the referee.
Mga malay ko yan.
Ayan na.
Mga dagito.
Number 7 on the outside, pass to number 9. Number 9 now, heavily guarded by 1-4. 1-4 drop pass to number 3, Tisoy. Ayan, foul on.
Nag-adjust.
Foul on. 1-4. Sige, 1-4 plus 1-4. 1 top 9 mamaya. 1 top, ha? A 13 foul on the side of the Canadio. Ay, katribo pala. Number 0, 0 on the outside. Drop pass to number 3. Tisoy, back to number Lon. Wala. Foul on.
Asan na yung
24.
Foul on number 24. It's penalty rep. I warning on penalty, sorry. Oh. Wala talaga, inaalat talaga si Malon. Naalat. Tumira na po kayo. Yes. Ayan, it's number 7, the floater. Yes sir, that's it. Time out! Patrick! Number 10 now, back to number 6. Landox, guarded by number 7. Number 6 now, number 6. Landox, drop pass to number 22. Number 8, Timwira. Pat foul on! Who's foul rep? 0-0. That's your third personal. Second personal foul, first team. Tumira sa 22. Yes sir. Pasok na pasok. Last 7 minutes 30 kay 19. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by. Entering too soon. Bola po ng Canadio.
barbecue kuma?
0-0 down on the outside. Pass to number 9. Number 9 now. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 0-0. 0-0. Tumarlon. Tumarlon. Pumeke. Pass to number 9. Pinalik. Pinunta kay number 7. Tumira na 3. Wala. Rebound by Tisoy. Tisoy now. Intercepted by 1-4. Pero nawala ang bola. Same ball says the referee.
Bakit?
Last 7 minutes.
Ano? Hindi mas timpla na. Bawang-bawang.
Number 3 now. Tisoy on the outside. Tisoy now. Pass to number 7. Number 7 to Marlon. Marlon. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by na 1-4. Pass break to number 10. Ay, wala short pass na ito. Talon. Nagwawala. Foul on number 1. Kalma. It's your first personal foul. And the second team foul on the side of Canadio. Ayan na. Tignan natin kung makakapunta si Mr. Sunday. Iyon, no? Let's see if he can make the second try. Yes, sir! Nice. Sweet charity free throw by number 10. Number 1 now. Number 1. Number one now, that's Marlon. Marlon, Pumeke. Pumeke, block by number 1-4. But Kula, intercept by number 9. Number 9. Pass. Hold on! 22, penalty. Take 2. Foul on number 22. Wala pa, wala?
No.
Eh, penalty na, penalty.
Kacapan, di ba?
Oh, 22, Atribo. Last 6 minutes 28. Yan na. Kalma. First try. Yung pumasok. Oh. Talaga naman. Kahit nagmamakawa, pero shoot pa rin. Let's see if we can make the second try. Tumira, yes sir. Nice shot by number 9. Tao daw, tao. Number 6, that's Landox at 25-36. That's 1-4. 1-4. Hey! Sobrang malakas. Last 6 minutes. Sub rep, sub. Sub rep. Cambio. Okay na. Bale. Lamesa daw muna. Okay. Number 17. Last 5 minutes, 48. That's number 9 now. Tumira si Marlos. Sana! Sa wakas! Kanina pa pinuputas. 3 points on number 1. It's number 6 now. Guarded by number 9. Intercepted by Marlon. Intercepted ulit by number 6. Landox to number 10. That's stop now. Number 10. Pumekalimayot. Ayan! Ayan yung guardian. 38-28. The 10-point lead by Catribo. Ayan si number 9. Number 9 nag-magic. Pass to number... Sino yun? Rebound by number 17 again. Number 17. Pumeke, tumira. Binitbit. Pumasok. That's Landox now to MJ. MJ. 1-on. Ayan, foul on. Who's foul rep? No. Foul on number 7. No pen? Wala pa. No. That's the 13th foul of Canadio. Okay. Time out, Canadio. Landox, number 6 on the outside, pass to number 86. That's Kate. MJ looking for a receiver. Pass to number 10. Back to MJ. MJ tumira na 3. Yan na! Praktisado! Walang guardia, pinabayaan. Yan, number 1 now. Number 1, gusto bumawi. Number 1 now, that's Marlon. Marlon. Pass to number 7, Lopez. Trap to number 17. Woo! Science. It's a penalty. Take the sige. Foul on? Foul po na number 8. Last 4 minutes, 10 seconds. The first shot, shot. Tumira. Ayan, number 17. MJ to number 1-4. A 10-point lead by the Catribo. Ayan na, MJ now, MJ. Pass to number 6, Landox now, Ayan, Landox. Plus to number 8, but Jack by rebound by number 6. Wala. Number 6 na tumira, wala. Short by to Lopez, pass break to Marlon tumira, wala. Rebound by number 86, that's MJ now. Last 3 minutes 44, back to number 1-4. 1-4 now, 1-4. To number 10, that's Sandy. Number 10 now, Tumira, drop to Tumira, block by number 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ayun, foul on. Foul on number 10. Oh, penalty. Last 3 minutes 15. Ayan na. Tumira, malakas. Tumira. Yun. Pumasok yung una. Siyam na lang. That's MJ now, MJ. Ay, 1-4 na, 1-4. 1-4. To Landox now. Pass to MJ again. MJ. Pass to number 10. That's coming now. Looking for a receiver. That's number 10. Number 10. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tempo! Tempo, tempo. 24. 24 seconds at the post. 24 seconds. And now, last 2 minutes 46. That's number 9. Nagpapalatali ng play up. Wala. Rebound by Landox. Number 6 of Katribo. Patpar lang tumira. Wala. Shoot. Rebound by. Ayan. That's number 8 of Katribo. Polon. Number 17. Last 2 minutes 30. Warning for penalty po. Warning pa lang. No, no, tin, no. Side throw, dito pong bola. Hola. Last 2 minutes 30. Ayan na. Ayan na, MJ now, MJ. 3 seconds is the referee. Sub rep, sub. Cambio, cambio. Last 2 minutes 21. Last 2 minutes 21 na po tayo. Ayan, that's Marlon now, Marlon. The outside. Itan sa top, one board na, one board. Paso Landox, naisahan. Ayan, last 2 minutes 10 seconds. Number 9 now, number 9. Nagsado Coley, kaganda naman. Last 2 minutes 7.
Ano na tama na ka?
Last 2 minutes 4 seconds. Foul on, number 1. Penalty na po tayo. Penalty. Oh, last 2 minutes.
Melbar. Kari ko naman. Kari.
The first try of Marvin. Wala.
Madadanong tayo.
86.
Porta nga ito.
Isa pa raw. Entering two zone. Oh, last 2 minutes na po tayo. Last 2 minutes. 2-0-0. A 9-point lead by the Katribo. Yan. Easy lang.
Allah, nagdanong na ano. Di bali para bin.
Tumira. Ayun. Ayun na, the 10-point lead by the Katribo. That's number 9 now. Number 9 again. Number 9. Intercepted by number 8. Ayan, huli na nga talaga. Pass to 1-4 now. 1-4. Pass to Landox. Number 6. Last 1 minute 45. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yan. Last 1 minute 31. Pass break. Only by number 6. Last 1 minute 27. Number 6 now. Number 6. Drop pass to number 8. Tumira. Wala shot. That's number 19. Number 19 now. Pass to number 1. Marlon. No preno. Tumira ng 3. Patay ka dyan. Kanina pa sana. Last 1 minute 10 seconds. That's number 6. Number 6 to 1-4. 1-4 now. Last 1 minute. Paulon Tisoy. Okay, that's your third personal foul and penalty na rin po tayo. It's 1 minute 01. Pumasok yung una. 2 second. Ayaw talaga patalo. Ayan na. Last 1 minute na. Intercept by Marlon again. Marlon, nag-iisip kung tres o ano. Tumira ng tres, wala. Ayun na, oops! The ball by number 10, that's Sunday. Pass to number 8. Number 8 now, number 8. Ayan, follow number 17. Last 43 seconds. Penalty. That's your second personal foul. Number 17. Number 2 is given. Penalty na po tayo. 11 points by lead by Catribo. Yan na. First, wala.
Guwapo ka.
Second game, magbihis na po kayo. Game agad ito.
First game pa lang? Oh.
Number 8, Bart. Yes, sir. Pumasok po ang una.
Pwede mo ngayon so.
Pangalawa. Ayan, to number 9 now. Last 40 seconds. Number 9. Guarded by number 1-4. 1-4. Tumira. It's a traveling, says the referee. Last 30 seconds.
Bola ng kalaban.
Bola ng kalaban. Balon. Number 9. Time out, Canadio.
Tira pa rin, tira.
Last 25 seconds. 24 seconds. 24.6. Yan. Last 20 seconds. Tumira ng 3 shot. Last 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counted. Wala talagang